God bless you everyone for tuning back in. Now this is the video you all have requested for. I listened and I promised, and now it's here. So I suppose by now you have your Mango wallet. If you do not, then watch the video with the link on the top right corner of your screen. It's going to get you up to speed if this is the first video you're seeing on the channel. So once you're connected, these are everything, and the first thing we need to do now is we need to first of all obtain the BNB Faucets and ETH Sepolia Faucets. Now to do that, there's a crucial step that you need to do, which is setting up the BeinDex application on your mobile device, whether it's Android or iOS, and I'm going to be leaving this link in the description box of the video so you guys can just quickly set that up. And what you're going to do when you set that up is you essentially want to go through the steps, and that would allow you to claim to get the wallet, right? So what we're looking for is when you set up the wallet, you go, this is what the interface looks like, and you import the wallet, or sorry, you create a new wallet. When you create a new wallet, you go through everything and then add networks. So when you're adding the networks, what you're going to be adding is the Mango Testnet, BSC Testnet, and ETH Testnet. Pretty much the ETH and so pretty much the BSC testnets and the ETH testnets, they run on the same network, and you need that network address. And to get the BNB which runs on the BNB testnet, you need to hold a minimum of what I think $1.5. Yep, you need to hold a minimum of that. However, when you want to claim the faucets from here, you'll be told the minimum amount that you need. I think it's around 0.002, yeah, on the mainnet to get BNB faucets. For ETH Sepolia, it's pretty much free. So I am going to obtain my wallet address, and I'll just pause the video now. So yeah, I'm back. The wallet's address for the ETH testnet and BNB testnets pretty much run on the same address. So you just paste it here. You can see it's set to ETH Sepolia. If I click down, okay, if I click down, you see Holeski Sepolia. What we want is this, and then put the wallet and then click on receive, and this will happen every 24 hours, and then you'll be getting 0.5. Yes, I'm sure 0.5. Yep. Okay, so it's running, and then we'll come here for the BNB 0.3 BNB. We just paste the same wallet address here, and then we'll send the BNB. It will go because I hold money in my BSC. So if I open up my OKX wallet, and yes, we're going to get to this OKX wallet part very soon. I just wanted to show you guys. Okay, yeah, cool. So we have balance in the OKX wallet, and we'll just let it run. So to complete some of the tasks in the Mango testnet, which is this Mango bridge, you need to import your Mango wallet, the one you created from the previous video, this one right here. The main wallets were used to connect to this wallet right here. You need to install the MetaMask extension, and the way to do that is to go over to the Chrome Web Store, and I'm going to be leaving this link in the description box of the video. You just add it to the wallet, to your extension pane on Google, and when you click on the MetaMask extension, so what I just do for ease of access is I just pin it, right? I just where is it? I just pin it. That's why it's in blue. And then you open it up, and rather than create a new wallet, you just import a new wallet, and you import the new wallet using the seed phrase, and you're going to be using the seed phrase from your Mango wallet to import it here, which is why when I open my OKX wallet like this, come on, open up. When I open my OKX wallet like this, it shows me the money. And if I go back to the BNB Faucets, okay, let's do human test. So select the image that best match the theme. Okay, it's food, of course. Next, okay, this one as well, and I guess that should be it. So before we continue, guys, you can see how we're breaking down the technical information, and yep, we got the 0.3 BNB Faucets, and we can request in the next 24 hours. So all of these technical informations is what we put out on Overworks, right? So we invite you, please subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and give this video a like so that other people interacting with the Mango testnet will get this update as well. And even other people who do not know of this update and information will get notified, and YouTube can sponsor the video to more reach. So yeah, thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, thank you for engaging with this content. So what we're going to do next is we'll just confirm if the ETH has been sent. Okay, cool, ETH has been sent. So now that we have the ETH Sepolia faucet and the BNB faucet, what we're going to do now is to get back inside of the Mango testnet page, and we'll click on the Mango bridge. So now we're inside of the Mango bridge. What we're going to do next, these are the tasks. It says the Mango testnet. We need to swap Mango to BSC. We need to swap Mango to ETH. We need to swap BSC to Mango. We need to swap ETH to Mango. One last thing we need to do is I have not requested for faucets today, and I am quickly going to do that by just copying the wallet address here and just heading to the Discord server for Mango network. All right, cool. So now we're inside the Mango server, Mango network server. Here is the channel we claimed the faucets from. Again, we discussed this in the previous video, so please watch that video. Most of your beginner questions will be answered. So the format to use is this at MGO-faucet. So we're just going to do that MG, and that should be this, and space, the space character like this, and then paste the wallet address. And just before we hit the enter button, here's what we have, which is what I think is 0.4. yes, 0.4. That should become 0.9 as soon as we hit the enter button. I just did now, so I'm going to open up the Mango wallet again, and that's now 0.9. Awesome. So we're going to go back. We're going to go back here, and we're going to start the tasks. And when we're done, all we need to do is just click on submit. Okay, so if you're expecting it to show you a gray or highlighted form, it will not be. I like to open this. Oh, sorry, I cannot open this in a different tab. So again, what we need to do is to bridge Mango to BSC. Now we would get into the part where we talk about the OKX aspect of things. Now I understand that I did not show you guys the part where I would set up the BeinDex wallet and then added the Mango network and then ETH and BNB test networks on the application, the BeinDex application. But it's really easy. Just follow the steps, and that would, the steps highlighted on how to set up the wallet. It's just pretty much the same thing you do when you want to set up every other wallet. Just install the application. I think this is the post right here. Yep, this is the one. So when you install the BeinDex application, this is the screen you will be greeted with, and then you click on create new wallet. Go through your process of storing your seed phrase and add the networks, get to the home screen of your wallet, and then click on add networks, and you're going to see the hot, you're going to see the EVM, you're going to see custom networks. So under custom networks, you want to select BSC testnet and ETH test networks and Mango testnet. Both ETH and BSC test networks, they share the same EVM address, so you do not have to worry. And that's the reason why when we claimed this earlier, we used the same wallet address, you can see, and we'll go to the BNB, we use the same wallet address, as you can see right here. And when you do that, the system will just separate the testnet tokens. Okay, so you do not have to worry. You can just copy that wallet address and store it somewhere on your notepad so you can access it across your devices, whether it's mobile or computer. Okay, so once we're done with that, now we need to begin the task, which is what the first task is, swapping Mango to BSC. Now for you to do this Mango bridge task, you need to now set up your OKX wallet. And to set up your OKX wallet, like I said before, again, you need to download the OKX extension and then create or import a new network. Now I know my account is saying 0 because I swapped the main network to Ethereum. I'm just going to swap it back. So we're going to click on the select network, and this will be sending from the Mango test network, and we'll click on the assets. We're using USDT. Now we need to connect the wallet, and that will connect, and that should read the balance. So if we switch, okay, yep, so that's the one. So now we've settled the from. Now for the tool, what we're going to do is to, yep, so we're bridging from the Mango testnet to the BSC testnet, and we are using the balance we have in our USDT. So we're just going to put 0.02. Okay, we don't have enough, so let us go back and get some testnet tokens for USDT. So what I'm going to do now is to go back, because we have enough. So just do some swaps. We can swap from the Mango tokens to Mango USDT, so we can now have enough to do the bridging, right? So we can have enough to do the bridging. Okay, we can have enough to do the bridging. All right, now we're here, we're using this to complete the task as well. Now the first thing we want to do is to connect our wallet, and Mango network, Mango wallet, yes, run and connect. And when we're done, we just click on here. We want to swap Mango to USDT, right? And we want to take 0.5, which is like 1.4 USDT, and we'll just submit. Again, these tasks that I'm doing now, these are tasks on the daily task board, and I'll just click on once it's done, I'll click on approve. So yep, we can approve that. And then the next is to swap from USDT to MAI. It is done. So we're gonna go here, and then we'll click on USDT, and we'll click on MAI, and now we can do what? Let's do 0.5, okay, because we need to hold some tokens so we can swap on the other side of things. So now we're completing one task. You can see how easy and sweet this is, and when you do this consecutively, you're stacking up more points. So I just clicked on OK. Now that should quickly approve that it has gone. Now the last thing to do, the last task to do, is to swap from MAI back to USDT, and we are going to do that. Let's just do max. Okay, let's do max right back, and then click on submit. So when we click on submit again, we'll repeat the process, and I'm going to show you guys how to approve the tasks once you're done, and you're going to get more points. Okay, success. So now we're gonna go back, and he says Mango to USDT. We did this already. It's gonna say synchronizing. We did exchange USDT to MAI. We did, and then we used the obtained MAI to exchange for USDT. We did this as well, and these two are gone. You can see completed, and the last one is going to be completed in a minute, but we don't want to take much of the time. So for this, we just aim 3 points for today's interaction. I'm going to go back now, and pretty much you can see my points. At the start of this video was around 240 something. Now it is 250 points, and now we can go in for this task, which is like the major task we have to do for today. So we can go back here and close out this tab because we're starting a new interaction, and click on go to task. So now we have USDT tokens on Mango network. The next thing we want to do is to begin these tasks. So we'll have like 4. So the first will be Mango to BSC network. Okay, again, the sequence now is to pick the from network, which is the Mango network. We're bridging from the Mango network, and we are taking the Mango USDT, and when we connect the wallet, you see the balance right here, 1.7, just as we swapped. And now we want to swap into what we're bridging into the BSC chain, and we'll be paying in Mango network. Okay, So we can now connect our wallet for this, and you can see the wallet has been connected. So what we're going to do, you can see my balance is this 1.3. This was what? Okay, so I had done some transactions before. I am going to repeat now. You can see the wallet addresses are different. Like I said, remember you need to import your Mango wallet into your OKX, okay? And now we're going to put the amount. So we're just going to do 1 USDT, okay? So we're bridging from the Mango network to the BSC network, 1 USDT. We just submit the transaction like so. Ouch, we need to do other transactions. Sorry guys, let me reject this. I'm quickly going to reject that. I'm going to reject that and just reduce my number to 0.4, and then we'll just submit it. 0.4, we just submit it like so, and I'm going to approve that transaction inside of my Mango wallet. And if this is making any sense, if this is helping you guys, please give this video a like, turn on the bell notification, and I hope that this video has done good to wipe off the misconceptions. Do next is to swap, and we're going to select the ETH for the second one, and we are swapping what, ETH USDT. Okay, so we're going to bridge some tokens from ETH, so we're going to say 0.1. okay, and we just submit, and when this pops up, approve the transaction. I just did already. Transaction is successful. So what we're going to do next is to bridge BNB Faucets. We're bridging the BNB Faucet, which is the one we claimed earlier. The BNB Faucets we claimed from the Faucet website. We're going to bridge BNB on BSC, okay, to the BNB on the Mango wallet. So what we're going to do now is to say what. So I'm going to paste that here, and I'm just going to swap that back. Okay, so the transaction has been detected. I'll just click on approve, and that should be it. And I think the next task is to swap from BSC to Mango, and then from ETH to Mango, which is like the last. So we're going to click here, and we're going to switch to ETH, and then we'll click here, and we'll switch to to ETH, because we have balance there. We have a 0.1 ETH. We want to swap from here to here, and what we will do is 0.00123, like this. That should be enough to submit. Okay, and we just click on submit again. This will try to add, please switch to the ETH Testnet network, and when we click on the submit, OKX should detect it and help us to switch. Okay, so now we have this. What we're going to do is to confirm, and yep, let's confirm the interaction with the website. And I think that should also run and add the network to our wallet. I think it's already been added. Okay, so it should populate somewhere. That is done. So basically that's it. So now we have this balance. Remember, we just bridged some out of, it was 0.1, and now we have this, which means the asset has arrived in our network. So thank you guys for watching. Now, sorry, the last thing to do now is to submit the transactions. We just click on the submit button, click on this as well, click on this, and just allow it to read and show us submit. So you can see all the steps have been completed. We've done all of them, and we should be expecting 10 points. Now remember, our points were what, 247, 25 something, so now it should be 26 something if I am not mistaken. So yeah, 260 points we just got. Now we completed this, and we'll do this every single day for the next 5 days. We would go up to what is 30 points from 15. So for the swap, we have done this. Now in this video, we've done this as well. So we've claimed the faucets today. What we're going to do now is to submit that transaction. We used the bots already when we requested for the 5 on the Discord server. This one right here, this was the task, right? So we just click on submit. We have done 3, so let it just turn completed, and pretty much we're good to go. Yep. So I hope you've learned a thing or two from this video. Please like, subscribe to Overworks. You can see how we talk about the technical details of every single thing that you need to know to interact with all the different projects out there. And do not be left out in the conversation. It's completed, and we should be 265 now. If we go back, 265 now, 265. Yep. So we've done 1, 2, 3. Now the next task is the BeinDex app, and 15 points per day. The BeinDex app again. Download and install the BeinDex app. Collect the gas fee of the Mango Test network and get 10 points. If you meet the requirements for 5 days, you will be airdropped 30 points. So for this, I am going to switch over to the mobile device and just put my phone on the screen. Alright, so here we are on my mobile device, and this is the BeinDex app. I've already installed it. I'm going to leave a link in the description box of the video. If you are using an iPhone or an Android device, you can just use any of the links respectively. So what we are going to do now is to click on the BeinDex application, and I just clicked on it right now. Mine is fully set up, and I just need to enter my password. I've unlocked, and you can see the wallet as well. Right here is here's the wallet right here, is the same like you see for the ETH Testnet and the BNB Testnet respectively. So back on my laptop screen, it says download and install the BeinDex app, collect the gas fee of the Mango Test network, and get 10 points. If you meet the requirements for 5 days, you will be airdrop additional 30. So to get the Mango Testnet, you can see all of the transactions we've done. It has reflected here and here as well. But just so you know, guys, this is all zero. Okay, real live value is 0. It holds nothing. So I'm going to click on the DApp section of the BeinDex application, this one right here that is colored, and you can, for the first time, if you're using it, you just have to type Mango like so, and it's going to search for the Mango Testnet. When you'll notice the star right here, right, this one is empty, right? So you can just do the, let me just go back, do that again, Mango. And what I'm going to do now is to add them to my favorites, so I don't have to search. I'll just click on the star like this, and that should be added to the network. Okay, so what other tasks can we do now? Based on the Mango Test network, a high performance decentralized matching transaction DEX, directly AI USDT. 15 points will be awarded for buying and selling each trading pair more than once a day. If interaction continues for 5 days, you'll get 25 additional activity points will be rewarded. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to go to the market tab. I think this is the first time I'm interacting for that particular task, so I'm gonna go into the Mango network. I'll just enter the Mango network. So what you're going to be seeing on my screen now, you're going to see the same thing on my mobile device. Can you see? So if I click on the join now, I'll just sign in. You can see from my mobile screen, you see the points right here, it says 265.9. You can see as well, it says 265.9. So we are good. You can just do this seamless from a mobile device. You can see all of the tasks, daily tasks here, the same thing here. And this is the task for this one right here. So click on this task. Okay, just click into that task, and let's just see if we can wrap that up. So we're going to be using AI, so let's go to task. we'll click on task. Just click on task now, and then we'll click on the connect wallet. So let it connect to our BeinDex wallet, which is the same as our Mango Testnet wallet. And this is the trading pair right here, and then we'll just buy. Okay, so let us buy and sell like so. Okay, so we're going to buy at market price. Really, I don't want to do any form of analyzing, so we'll just buy 25%, that is 0.03. so we'll just click on buy, and we'll confirm the transaction, and that should now win us some AI tokens, and it is done. So we're gonna go back to the task, or we can just use the desktop. Let's just work smart. Okay, so click into the task from the desktop version and just see what the other tasks are. And I can even, if I want to, I can just complete these tasks. I just bought some AI tokens with, okay, so I can sell my USDT. So if I sell all my AI tokens, let me just sell 50%. Okay, so by this we have completed both tasks on the mobile device. Can you see how seamless it is when you're working from both ends, guys? Really cool. So now from the laptop screen, we're going to click submit here. We're going to click submit here, and we just let the process run. See, I did the process on my mobile device, and I am submitting the transactions from my laptop. Guys, if this is cool for you, please, why not smash the red subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and turn on the bell notification as well to give us a like. And you can see, boom, we are done. You see how easy it is? So from the laptop screen, we're going to go back to all of the tasks, and now we should have 280 points already. And let's just complete the last tasks for today. And this one is for, again, on the mobile screen, I'm clicking into the Mango network. And oh, sorry, let me just show you guys the one that I clicked, this one right here, the Mango network. So I just clicked on it, and it says connect Mango test network and sign to receive gas. So okay, so I need to do this daily. It's this button, I'm sure, but then I have to wait extra 10 hours. Unfortunately, I cannot wait, and I'll just wait when it's time, and I'll just do that. So that's it for this video, guys. You can see we covered, out of all the 5 tasks, we covered the 4 tasks. Everything, the last one is pretty much easy. You just connect to the Mango test network from the mobile application right here, and you can just do your stuff seamlessly from here. You connect and then you sign. This is the signing part, this one right here. You click on this button right here from your mobile screen, and you can sign in on your mobile device, the BeinDex application, and that should give you the points, the 10 points for the day as well. And the date as well is January 28th. So if this video taught you something, if this video brought closure, now you know exactly what to do. No more blocks, no more holding backs. All you need to do is claim the faucets for BNB. Remember, you use your ETH and ETH on Sepolia wallet address, and then your BNB, you need to have a minimum of $1.5 on your BNB, which is 0.002 on your BNB, in order for you to claim the faucets. And when you do this, now you head on over to the Mango network, and then you do the Mango swap some Mango tokens into USDT, from USDT to MAI, and from MAI back to USDT. And when you're done, you just click on the submit. For all of the steps, it will count. You have 3 points. You're checking for the Mango bridge. You bridge from the Mango USDT on the Mango tokens, right? You bridge into the BSC for USDT tokens, and when you're done, you bridge from the BSC BNB, which is why you had to claim the faucets. You bridge it back to USD, to the Mango BNB, and then you repeat the same for ETH. You bridge from ETH into ETH on Mango Testnet. And when you do this, you do that for 5 consecutive days, you get 30 points extra. And when you do for these tasks, you need to buy and sell the AI USDT pair, buy, sell, and you're done. You have 15 points. The same thing for the Discord. You claim the Mango Testnet tokens from the Discord server, the Mango Faucets Discord server, and I showed you guys the format to do that. Use the @MGO-Faucet space your Mango wallet address, and the way to get that is from your Mango tokens. And lastly, we also talked about setting up the OKX wallet, which is where you need to import into your, with the seed phrase from your Mango wallet, you need to set up an OKX wallet and then import that Mango wallet into the OKX wallet so you can have a seamless interactions. So that's all for this video, ladies and gentlemen. I am so glad and pleased that I have been able to deliver on this promise. If you're watching this video, please like, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, join the Telegram community, join me, follow me on X, and we're gonna have a great one. See you guys on the other side with results. Have a wonderful time.